Well, we were just walking and there's a new cafe on the Upper East Side and it's Australian. I saw it actually recently and I thought it was further from where it was. I had to stop in and get the coffee, obviously, to try it. It's really good. It's called Hutch and Waldo. Hi, welcome to another video. Today has been basically just like a reset for spring because I feel like Mother Nature in New York is healing right now. The sun is out, it's 17 degrees Celsius. I am sitting outside. I have an iced latte, okay? We're in Central Park. Everyone is out. It's a Saturday. And we just got some lunch. We're gonna have a little picnic, my husband and I. We're gonna have lunch at the park. We picked up some sushi. Okay, the flow state, babe?
Not really. What is it?
So basically it's like a TikTok trend where it's like, just imagine where it's like everything is like going so well, like everything you love, and you reach that state of like happiness. Like it's like you're at flow.
Okay.
Like this is my flow state right now. Like I have an iced latte, the sun is shining, I have sushi, I'm with you.
So it's just a state of like everything is going well. You're thriving, right?
Yeah.
Is that what it is?
Yeah, that's exactly what it is. Like you are at your flow. Like, and I feel like I have a lot of flow states, but this is one of them. I just love the sun. And I get to be in a little trench. I love this weather. Okay. Enough. Yeah.
I guess I'm in a flow state every day.
Yeah, you are. You are. I'm the black cat of the relationship, and you are.
Golden retriever?
Yeah, you're the golden retriever. So happy all the time. He's always at flow state. Okay, a sushi unboxing, which I never thought to do, but you know, why not? Okay, we got some utensils. We got a shrimp tempura roll, a salad, and then more shrimp and California. Delicious. And then I don't know what sauce this is. Do you want this or no? It looks
Yeah, that's
messy.
for the salad. It's really
Oh,
good.
it's for the salad? Okay. That's good that you know that because I did not know that. And then we have some chopsticks, some soy sauce. I also have my laptop here because I want to edit the vlog. Okay, we're going to have ourselves a little afternoon. It's Saturday night. We are having a evening in. Music is playing. We have on the iPad, let's see, Mi Media Mitad, Rey Ruiz.
Rey Ruiz.
Ruiz.
There you go.
Okay, so that's what's playing, a bit of salsa. Salsa. And we are going to make steak. My job is to make the sides, and for the sides today is we're gonna have a fresh salad. We're gonna try this Japanese sweet potato, which I'm excited about, and then roasted potatoes. So I am on sides and you're on the steak. So I'm excited for that. And then for dessert, of course, my husband bought cinnamon rolls. He loves the cinnamon rolls, and honestly, I love it too. It's so good. So I'm gonna pop that in the fridge. Is this your favorite dessert?
It is 100%.
You think so?
I agree.
This or key lime pie?
Dang. I would say cinnamon rolls.
Cinnamon rolls over key lime pie, or it depends on the season. Cinnamon rolls.
It depends on the season. Cinnamon rolls, I can have it in the fall. Key lime pie, summertime. It's a very summertime thing. But over the winter, I had a craze.
Exactly.
For some reason.
I don't know what my favorite dessert is. I think my favorite dessert is, I like cheesecake always.
Cheesecake, you're
right? Cheesecake. And then, I like carrot cake. Maybe that's my favorite. I love a carrot. Wait, I thought I was making the sides.
I'm helping you.
Oh, okay. We'll do it together.
Yeah.
All right. This is the current side. So we have some butternut squash. Then we have, this is the Japanese sweet potato, and then we just have regular potatoes. So I'm going to show you how I season it, and I just set the oven to 375, and honestly this is like my favorite go-to. Just drizzle it. For seasoning I do salt, garlic powder. Very generous with this seasoning. Then I love this, which is from Whole Foods. It's actually the Caribbean jerk seasoning. I don't know what seasoning it is, but it smells and tastes incredible. This is kind of like game changer, to be honest, on roasted vegetables. It really is tasty. So that, I like this as well, the sweet Spanish paprika, which is different to regular paprika. I don't know, it tastes really good. I guess
no, that's the oregano.
It says paprika.
No, it's just in the bottle of oregano.
Oh, really?
Of paprika, yeah.
Then I always just do a little bit of Italian oregano, let's just say. Just a little, not too much. And then I would usually do black pepper, but I don't have black pepper right now, so we're gonna leave it at that. Just have like this brush, and I just brush everything. Make sure all that oil and flavor gets on every single piece of vegetable. This is how the vegetables came out, really roasted, and I've already been snacking. It's so good. Secured the goods. If you know, you know. These cookies are actually the best. Which one should we try first?
The carrot one.
Come closer so we can see the breakage. I don't know if this is the carrot one. Oh yeah, that's the carrot one. Nice. Yeah, and it looks like it has some white chocolate in it.
Macadamia.
Oh, and it has pecans. Sorry, walnuts. It's so good. It has the flavor, but it, like, if you like anything textured, it's good to like chew and bite. Whereas like if you have like a carrot cake cheesecake, it's like more smooth, obviously, and creamy. So it depends like on the texture you like. It is such a beautiful day today. We just got some iced coffee. The trees have bloomed in Central Park. We're just going on like a bit of a stroll. Everyone's out. It's just such a beautiful day. So just gonna enjoy the sun and not take it for advantage, because yesterday it was completely raining.
And we got cookies.
The Levain cookies, so good. It's highly recommend trying. They're everywhere throughout the city. Okay, I'm in my bathroom. I actually received a order of some skincare that I currently use, and then also new products from the same line that I'm going to try today, which I'm very excited about. It's actually a Korean skincare brand, which I love this product. If you've watched like any of my skincare videos, I always use it. It's basically this bottle, and I'm on empty, so I just stocked up on a new one. This is seriously the best product. It is so soft and gentle on your skin. Before I use this product, and I want to say I've been using it for like a year, honestly, my skin was just so dull and dry that, I don't know, I just feel like I just didn't have the brightness and the glow that my skin has now. And it's not in any way to brag, I just wanted to honestly share it. I've put most people onto it, but I'm just very excited to again open another bottle. I always stock up on them. You can buy it from like most Korean stores, Korean beauty stores, but Amazon also has it, and like the price is so good. It really has like even my skin tone. It's cleared out the dullness, it hydrates, and it also, to share like the ingredients, it has rice and alpha-arbutin, and alpha-arbutin is really great for like hyperpigmentation skin and just like an overall even skin tone. This is the only product I've ever used of Beauty of Joseon. Did I mention it's Beauty of Joseon? So I was like, Amazon was having a bit of a sale. So I was like, let me order some products of theirs. And I'm so excited to try this one. It's the Revive Eye Serum. Now, I have not used a different eye cream for years. I want to say years. When I find skincare that I like, I'm honestly like very dedicated to my skincare. I need something else to open. I think I need a knife. I'm like very dedicated to the skincare that I use for a long time if I see benefits. However, since I love the serum, I was like, you know what? I'm sure the eye cream is also amazing. And just to show you my Shiseido, this is the one I use. I love it. It's the Shiseido Wrinkle Soothing Eye Cream. It's very rich, but I've hit pan. Like, I've used everything in here. Like, it looks like I've washed it out. That's how clean the bottom is. But yeah, I need to stock up on this because I'm still not ready to give up this, but I'm also happy to try something new and alternate between the two. So I am trying this. It's by Beauty of Joseon, and it has ginseng and retinol. Okay, based on my quick Google search of what ginseng will help with, it's a potent for vitamin A, so it helps reduce wrinkles and fine lines, increase firmness and elasticity, hydrates, and then also it helps with dark circles and brightening. I don't really have dark circles, but I'm always interested in a little brightening and hydration. Okay, so I just opened the entire thing, didn't I? Okay, let's do that. Let's do a little pump. Okay, it's like a yellowy texture. I mean, it seems really smooth. I mean, just that one pump brought out a lot of product. It's really hydrating and soft. I mean, it actually feels like melted butter. It's very soft and almost cooling as well, which is really nice. Now, I will have to give you an update on this eventually because I wouldn't be able to tell till at least a month to see how I like it. I mean, it's kind of dried up and you can see like there's actually a bit of a glow, which is really cool. So I'm adding that to the skincare cupboard. And then very excited for this one. This is the Revive Under Eye patches, and it's the same ingredients, the ginseng and retinol. So I don't know if I should be wearing them together or separate, but today, since I'm trying the products, I guess I'm just gonna have to wear it together. But it's an eye mask, and I love my under eye mask. I love to do it in the morning with like my morning coffee. Just like instant thoughts, it smells incredible. It also looks like this. Cute. There's a lot of packaging to like protect the eye mask. Okay. And then it also comes with this package here. I presume that's the lid, and then this is also the little spatula to pick up the product. For under eye mask, I usually use the Derma E vitamin C under eye mask. Again, they're also incredible, so I will continue using them, but I wanted to try something different. Just like instant thoughts, really, they're cold, and they stuck on right away. They're translucent and they seem hydrating. They're really soft. Which way do you wear your eye mask? Do you wear it the thicker spot closer to your nose or outer? Apparently it depends on which area you want to target, either under eyes or crow's feet. Okay, there we go. Probably let them sit for about half an hour maximum, and I take them off, and then I'll go in with like my skincare. But so far they feel good. They feel very cooling. I might actually keep the product in the refrigerator just because I do like my mask to be cold on my face, and especially after a workout, there's nothing better than a shower and a eye mask or a face mask that has been in the fridge overnight. It's so good. It's like a cold, icy cup of water, but for your skin. Here we go. There's the 3 Beauty of Joseon products that are new in my skincare closet. I'll definitely update you on how I find all these products.